Hello decorators! Today, we've got a festive treat for you as we dive into the wonderful world of Christmas decorations for your living room. Whether you're a holiday enthusiast or a newbie looking to spruce up your living space, we've got ideas, tips, recommendations, and all the reasons why decorating your living room is an absolute must during the most wonderful time of the year. Let's start by discussing why decorating your living room for Christmas is so important. The benefits are numerous, and here are a few. Christmas decorations instantly transform your living room into a magical wonderland. The twinkling lights, festive ornaments, and cozy vibes create a warm and inviting atmosphere for you and your loved ones. Decorating the living room for Christmas can become a cherished family tradition. It's a time for everyone to come together, get creative, and bond over the joy of the holiday season. When your living room is beautifully decorated, it spreads the holiday spirit not only within your home but also to anyone who visits. It's a way to share the joy and cheer of the season. Christmas decorations allow you to express your unique style and personality. Whether you prefer a traditional, rustic, or modern look, your living room can reflect your taste and preferences. The memories created while decorating the living room are precious and often last a lifetime. Kids, in particular, will cherish these moments and remember them fondly. Now that we've established the why, let's dive into the fun part, the what. Here are some amazing Christmas decoration ideas to transform your living room into a winter wonderland. Opt for a real or artificial tree according to your preference and circumstances. Decorate with a mix of ornaments, lights, tinsel, and a tree topper. Don't forget the tree skirt to hide the base. Hang a wreath on your front door and smaller ones on interior doors. Customize with ornaments, ribbons, and pine cones. String fairy lights around your living room, not just on the tree. Consider warm white or multicolored lights, depending on your theme. Drape garlands along the mantel, staircase, or door frames. Add ornaments and ribbons for an extra touch. Hang personalized stockings for each family member. Fill them with small gifts, candies, and trinkets. Display nutcrackers, Santa figurines, and other Christmas-themed decorations on shelves and tables. Swap out your regular pillows and blankets for festive, holiday-themed ones. Use scented candles and holiday fragrances to set the mood. Place them in candle holders or lanterns for safety. Get creative with handmade ornaments and crafts made by you and your family. Personalize with names, dates, or special messages. Hang framed holiday-themed art or create your own. You can even print out and frame your favorite Christmas quotes. Decorate your coffee and dining tables with festive centerpieces. Incorporate items like pine cones, candles, and holly branches. Swap out your regular rugs and curtains for ones that match your Christmas decor. Use removable snowflake decals on windows and glass surfaces. It adds a whimsical touch to your living room. Create a miniature Christmas village with tiny houses, figurines, and a snowy landscape. So, now that you've got some fantastic ideas, let's move on to some essential tips to make your living room Christmas decor truly stand out. Decide on a color scheme or theme to maintain a cohesive look. Traditional red and green, rustic, modern, or even a winter wonderland theme, the choice is yours. Don't limit ornaments to the tree alone. Hang them in different areas of your living room for an extra festive touch. Layering is key to creating a cozy atmosphere. Use different textures, such as fluffy blankets and knitted pillows. If you use candles, ensure they are placed in safe holders and never left unattended. Bring the outdoors in with real or faux pine branches, wreaths, and pine cones. It adds a natural, rustic touch to your decor. While it's great to go all out, be mindful not to clutter your space with too many decorations. Less can often be more. Add personalized ornaments or decorations with your family's names or special memories. Use both warm white and multicolored lights to create a vibrant and inviting atmosphere. Ensure that your Christmas decor doesn't impede your day-to-day activities or make your living room feel uncomfortable. Use scented candles, potpourri, or essential oil diffusers with holiday scents like cinnamon, pine, or cranberry. Now, where can you find these incredible Christmas decorations? Let's explore some recommendations. Visit local Christmas stores and markets for unique, handcrafted items. Explore various stores online to find a wide range of options. Don't underestimate the hidden gems you can find at thrift stores. Vintage items can add a charming touch. We've already touched on some of the benefits, but let's dive deeper into why decorating your living room for Christmas is so special. Christmas decorations fill your home with joy and excitement that's contagious. It lifts spirits and puts everyone in a festive mood. Decorating as a family or with friends promotes bonding and togetherness. It's a time to make memories and share laughter. Many of us have cherished holiday traditions. Decorating the living room is a wonderful way to honor these customs. Christmas decorations turn your living room into a visual feast for the eyes. It's a feast of colors, lights, and textures. Getting creative with your decor can be a fun and imaginative process, allowing you to express yourself in your unique style. A well-decorated living room offers a warm welcome to guests, setting the tone for memorable holiday gatherings. Christmas is a season of love, generosity, and kindness. Decorations remind us of these values and inspire acts of goodwill. Your living room is an extension of your personality. Christmas decorations allow you to showcase your individuality and style. Christmas is also a time of renewal and hope. The evergreen tree, a classic symbol of Christmas, represents enduring life even in the midst of winter. Decorating it with ornaments is a way to celebrate the promise of new beginnings and the hope of better days ahead. Christmas decorations come in a wide range of styles and traditions, reflecting the diversity of celebrations around the world. Embracing different cultural elements in your decor not only adds depth and beauty, but also shows respect for the global nature of the holiday. Sustainable and eco-friendly decor options are becoming increasingly popular. You can opt for reusable, natural, or upcycled decorations, reducing your ecological footprint during the holiday season. The act of decorating can be a meditative and mindful experience. It allows you to slow down, focus on the present moment, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the season. Your collection of Christmas decorations can serve as a reflection of your life's journey. Each ornament might hold a unique story or memory, reminding you of cherished moments, travels, or milestones. Sharing these stories with loved ones can deepen the meaning of your decor. Involving children in the decorating process sparks their creativity and imagination. They can make their ornaments, place them on the tree, and take pride in contributing to the family's holiday traditions. The cheerful colors, glittering lights, and joyful motifs uplift not only your spirits but also those of your neighbors and passers-by. Your well-decorated living room can become a neighborhood attraction, bringing smiles to all who see it. Christmas decorations often hold sentimental value and can bridge generations. Using family heirlooms or passing down cherished decorations to younger family members strengthens the ties between different age groups. Remember that the heart of Christmas decoration is not in the size or grandeur but in the love and joy it brings to your home and those around you. Embrace the magic, share the happiness, and create lasting memories with your beautifully decorated living room. So, there you have it, my festive friends. We've covered a sleigh load of ideas, tips, and recommendations for decorating your living room for Christmas. It's a time of magic, togetherness, and spreading joy. Decorating your living room for Christmas isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating an immersive experience that touches your heart, celebrates traditions, and brings joy to your home. So, gather your loved ones, get creative, and make your living room a cozy, welcoming, and magical space this holiday season. We hope this video has inspired you to transform your living room into a Christmas wonderland and make this holiday season one to remember. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more holiday content and inspiration. From our home to yours, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Until next time, stay jolly, stay creative, and happy decorating.